Hello everyone, this is the kit for digital electronics, and you can see here different pins are available. This is a breadboard. One is for input, you can apply power supply, input and the connections, which the connections can be given at the middle part of the breadboard. And see, this is the IC where we can fix the IC. This is the part location of the IC where we can fix the IC. And you can see there are different ICs available with us. This is one of the IC for AND gate, and you can see this is a starting point, head and tail. There are total 14 pins available on this IC. So this is the pin number, starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is the ground, and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 14 is the power supply. And I am going to fix this IC onto the board. See, this is the way. First you have to move the jumper off, pull up, and then fix the IC. Then fix the IC in a proper position. You have to check the head and tail of the IC. And you have to check the numbering from 1 to 7, because here it is given as total 16 pin IC can be fixed here. We have to check from 1 to 7. If you are fixing from the second position, you have to consider from 2 to 8. So I am going to start again from the beginning, that is 1 to 7 I am considering, and push down the jumper. Now these are the inputs. So for AND gate, 1 and 2 are the input, 3 is the output. Similarly 4 and 5 input, 6 is the output. 7 connect to the ground, and 16 here, 16 become 14, 16 have connected to power supply. So now I am going to connect. Logic outputs are the inputs we are going to consider, and the logic indicators, this is going to show the output on the red light. Okay, when it is blowing, then it is the input 1. When it is not blowing, then output is 0. Okay, so from here we are going to consider the inputs and outputs. These are the pins where we are going to connect the input and outputs. I am connecting from 4 I am taking as the input, and 5 taking as the input, 5 consider as the input, and 6 consider as the output. So this is the output, consider as output. And 7 connect to the ground, and 14 pin connect to the power supply. Now for logic AND, when both the inputs are 0, the output should be 0. I am giving power supply to this. Now both the inputs are 0 and the output is 0. You can notice here the output is 0. And now I am taking one input as 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Both ones 1. When both are 1, the output is 1. When both are 0, output is 0. When 0, 1, output is 0. 1, 0, output is 0. Connect to the input. This logic output, it is given. This is 1 and 0. We can select 1 or 0. So under input we can select 1 or 0. So 1 to 1. You can select any of the input. 1 to 1, 2 to 2.